Welcome back, Rockstars. Quick update. A couple of students in period 3 had problems getting into the classroom, and I realized that I posted the wrong link. So if you tried to click the Replit link on Monday and you were asked to input, like to pay for a Replit Pro and to input a credit card number, that's nothing you did. It was all on my side. So if you didn't do anything on Monday, didn't see that error, the link is now fixed in Classroom. You can go ahead and click that link. Remember to sign in with your DCP account in Google. That's the fastest way. You won't have to remember a password. If you did click the account on Monday and when you click on the account, if you click the link now and it kind of brings you back to the same thing, the way to fix that is we're going to update your Replit account. So in the upper right hand side, right, you should see like your account name. Click on that and click on Profile. We're going to take you out of being a teacher and put you back to just being a student. So here we are in Profile. We're going to click on Edit Your Profile. Right, and then in there you can put in whatever name you want. I like Fred the Zombie. That is me. Click on Roles and make sure the checkbox next to Student has a check and the one next to Teacher does not have a check. Right? Once you've done that, go ahead, scroll up, click Save, and then if you go follow the link in Google Classroom, that should now work for you. You should be back to being a student, which is what you want. Okay? That's it. Sorry if I caused you any wasted time on Monday, but this will get you going. See you later.